be in a way.
Come here, you.
You have to have another practice first. Right over there. Now you want people to move out of the way. You say, excuse me.
Come here, you. Are you walking? You're sure trying. And you're sure happy about it.
Grandma pretended to be
Come on.
because she was busy getting ready.
Hi. Go on. Go on. Look at you go. Look at you go.
I do.
Uh-oh. Are you stuck? Hi. Are you coming all the way down the hall? Boom. Yeah, that's easier. Hi. Mom.